there are 23,000 plus students studying in China, and we are stuck here in India from past 2 years. We are not able to go there. Our visas are expired, and we are not getting new visas. We request the Indian government to pressurize the Chinese government for our return, and also I request the Karnataka government to facilitate us with practicals until and unless we get back to China.
So what problems are you guys facing when you came back, and why you're not able to go back?
We all came back in January 2020. We all came back because of our winter vacation, and few came back because of COVID. Now it is only online classes, and we are not able to go back. We need practicals. We are all medical students. Practicals is very much important to us, so we are lacking practicals. So that is the reason we are asking the government to approach the Chinese government.
So when you approached your concerned universities, what was the response from them?
Actually, they are like, we have nothing in our hands. If the Chinese government allows us, we will be the first one to call you all back. And if we ask about our practicals, they are telling that if you come back, we will definitely do it. We are requesting them to pressurize the Chinese government to take us back, and that is our first priority. If not, until and unless we return, we want practicals to be done in our respective states.
What was the reason you heading to abroad countries for your higher study? What was the reason? Why could not you make it in India?
Actually, almost everyone we have qualified our NEET examination, which is the entrance exam in India. But then, because of these reservations and high cutoffs and all, we didn't get the seats here, and we got it in private colleges. We all are from middle class families. We can't afford so much of money. They are asking about crores. We can't afford so much, so there it is much better. It is in our this thing, so we have approached China.
And I'm studying MBBS in Shuzhen Medical University, China. I came here 2020. 2 years passed already. I am requesting Sudhakar sir and Bommai sir and also Modi sir to help Indian students who stuck here. To approach Chinese embassy to go back there, and I request Sudhakar sir also to give practicals here in nearby universities in Karnataka. And also I am requesting Bommai sir also, please save Indian students who are suffering more depression, the online classes, and we didn't get practicals also. In past 22 and 21 and 22 also going on, more than 22.5 years are also gone, and we are only getting the theory parts only theory, that's it. We didn't get any practicals also. So that's why we requesting Karnataka government also and Indian government also, we are to give permission to get practicals in nearby medical universities and in nearby medical colleges. Please sir, I'm requesting you, please.